But anyway, what about England last night? Oh my God, thought they were out, didn't you? But then if you watch the Spain game afterwards, oh, crikey, what a difference. But I think if we come up against them, we've had it. Good morning, folks. Start another week here, Airedale. The lads are just having a day off today, actually, with the football and everything. But because another reason, we're waiting for the contractors on site to concrete the plinthing that we're waiting for, so we can then bolt the rest of our palisade down. So it wasn't too bad. So yeah, we should be back on that tomorrow, hopefully. Get finished in the next couple of days. I have a couple of surveys to do. I've one at Batley at 10. Then I've got to go to quarry at near Queensbury. We did that age ago, way round. Well, they had all panels nicked by somebody along front elevation of it. Well, probably 6 months or so ago now. By the sounds of it, he's having to get that done. I think he's at council. I don't know what's up with his camera here. He's trying to follow me. It's like I'm sideways, isn't it? He's at council onto him, so I think he's got to get that done. So yeah, that'll be a decent job. But anyway, what about England last night? Oh my God, thought they were out, didn't you? Like, don't know why he won't play any subs, but oh my God, what were happening? Yeah, I think we have 90 seconds to go or something. Obviously Bellingham banged that beauty in, it was Gorka, wasn't it? And then who was it? Kane got one, didn't he? I thought it looked a bit different when he actually brought the subs on at end. Palmer did well, and Tony up front. I thought that he passed it on for Kane to score. I mean, might be better with two up front, but he'll never do it, will he? He'll go back to the same old. Anyway, I had enough of it last night, but then if you watch the Spain game afterwards, oh, crikey, what a difference. I think if we come up against them, we've had it. But anyway, so yes, I shall get on with my day and my week. I shall stop waffling and I will catch you later. Well, hello there. God, I've just realised I haven't got a video all day. I've been that busy. Hey, up, sun's out now. It was a bit nippy earlier. I've actually been to see a unit in Shipley, which as soon as I pulled over, though, I don't like looking at this, it was horrible. Like squeezed in a yard, like a shared yard, nowhere to park or out straight away. I said, no, not for us this, mate. And then I was on my way back and I said to Carl, do you want to meet me at this other one? So we went to see this other unit round corner from us, which would be ideal, but it's quite expensive. Yeah, so I'm in no rush to move. It's just we're sort of outgrowing this little yard now, so we're sort of looking to the future and trying to get all the 3-4 businesses working well. So at the minute we're sort of on top of each other. So yeah, that one round corner is like 2 units into one. Bit expensive, might be out of our price range, I don't know yet, but depends on what rates are as well, you see, and stuff like that. And then we went to see another one that I was looking at. I thought it was just a piece of land, but it was all sort of flat, concreted on the picture. I thought, oh, that'd be ideal. But that's actually the other yard they've got, which is a bit further away from us on the side of Bradford, so it's not really ideal. Because most of us sort of live around here, and we'll be stuck in traffic every day going and coming home. I've had all that for years, I'm not doing that again. But the one near us is pretty good, and they were quite flexible. They use it, they're a big haulage firm, so they have all their wagons and the people going, facilities for wagon drivers to get changed, showered, eat, all that. But they had some massive units at side which are coming available, I think he said October or November. Probably a bit too big for us because they're like big factory type sizes, but he said, well, we could split it in half, or the other yards at side, which would be ideal for us. Probably similar size to ours, but a lot longer. All tarmacked, all singing, all dancing. It had another little yard at back where we could probably build a workshop for that. And they actually supply and do these fancy offices with toilets. He showed us his on site. Oh, they were fantastic. So he's going to come back to me and see how much, exactly what we need, how much space. But what I liked about it was so clean, that site. Fantastic access for wagons, even potentially customers coming, buying fencing, gates, whatever. So it had a lot of potential there. Be swaying towards that if anything. So yeah, we'll see what happens there. But hopefully the lads have got some footage. I think they have, because I think they've just sent me a video actually. I ain't had time to thingy yet, because like I say, I've seen all that, rushed back. I had a pre-start meeting with a school that we're starting up in Dales next week, with two girls from the school, and the headmistress and the site manager, I think she were, and the project manager guy who I've got to work through. So I've had that for an hour, so I've literally just come out. So now I'm catching up with my emails, so I'm going to be here a couple of hours anyway, catching up. But I thought I'd just jump on and tell you how I'm getting on. I hope everyone's cool. But come on, why not subscribe or give us a like up whilst you're here? It's all free, you know, just do it. Crack on. I'll catch you later.
Right, so just coming around here to have a quick look what lads did when I were off yesterday. So it's all boxed off and closed in now, so let's have a quick look. All the groundwork still to do, back groundwork, lads. Not to do with us, like, but going all the way down, jumping up. Hasn't been the best of land to do, it's all a bit up and down just with how the land is laid. And there you go, that doesn't look too bad at all, to be honest. Let's see how it's all the way down and then back up. Yeah, all closed in, all palisade boxed off, palisade post to a mesh post. Nice and solid, that. Something I like to see. Then all the way out. So Friday we've still got a bit of work ahead of us Friday, that's for sure. Still just got to finish off hot boxing in down bottom corner. All this side's nice and finished, so I should be happy with that. Let's go have a look at the other side while we're here. Gates, obviously bars going across bottom, just literally touches it. And then all closed in, they've closed it all in. So they've actually added a clamp bar like we asked for. It's all on, perfect. Can get to this side. It's all done. Already got a lock on gate. It's all in. Let's have a quick walk down. See what the line's like. Oh, beautiful. Love it when note sticks out like that. So tomorrow we just got about 12 bolt down posts to get in, and then finish this corner off and just go around and get the last little snags bits and do. Sorry, not tomorrow, we're actually going to Thornton School tomorrow. Friday when we come back and get all these last little bits done. So it's a case of maybe getting 5-6 panels in down here, getting the palisade in, and then we're done. Yeah, so probably what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 6 panels to get in, and we'll do exactly the same there, cut through there and get into the other side. Yeah, not a bad job.
Oh God, it's windy today. Looks nice and sunny, but it's, well, in fact, I'm going to get in car. What an horrible start to the day we've had today. Like we were here at crack of dawn as well, we are. They pulled off that big site today because they've basically about a day to finish, and the concrete ain't quite ready where they've got a bolt down to. But so we stuck a little job in at Thornton School that we've done various works for before, and just a set of gates and a bit of palisade. Anyway, so we're all arranged. We were supposed to go weeks ago, but they had exams on. Fair enough, we'll come back when the exams are finished. So I thought I'd slot them in, told them we were coming, emailed, phone call, yeah, that's brilliant, yeah. Sent rams, everything, loaded up this morning. Obviously lads have got there in traffic, just phoned me 10 minutes ago, you won't believe it. We can't do this job. So what do you mean can't do the job? Oh, they're having loads of groundworks done. Loads of groundworks? It's the first I've heard of it. They knew we were coming. No, definitely can't do it. There's groundworks guys here. They're putting a path in or something, whatever they're doing. Anyway, we can't install them. So that's literally a total waste of 3 and odd hours or whatever it's took to load up, get there, come back. An absolute nightmare. So that's one thing. So I'll have to deal with that. So I think they're going to go back to that big site and carry on what they can there. at least all the gears on site there for them. Ooh, late day for me this, 10 to 4, what's going on? There's a gone by now. Me and Carl got a bit of a call out actually. This is a job we did about 2 years ago. It's got access control on that Matt did. We installed it and we actually trenched right up there to the school. Basically I got a bit of a frantic call off the school. I'm not quite sure what happens because no one ever owns up, even though it's been installed 2 years and not had a problem, but quite fishy when it's been windy today. And they're saying that they had it closed, but I think it'd been left open in wind's taken it, and basically it's sort of come off the wall there. Obviously it's nobody's fault, never is it, Cal? So me and Carl are just here now, just getting it sorted. We've sort of got it back on now. We're just going to adjust the gas closer and then hopefully it should all work.
Alright guys, well, it's been a lovely job to do. So it's all been pretty much completed now. Lads have got 13 bays to put in today, and then we're going to all go back to the yard and load up for tomorrow. Sorry, not tomorrow, for Monday. We're working down in Dale, so a few hours drive each way there and back. So lads are literally just finishing this palisade off to here to there. All the way down's already done. These lads are coming out to pick up all this crap out here. Obviously there's been few minor, you know, especially with this concrete going in quite late and stuff like that, been a few minor holdbacks, but to be honest, in the all in all, compared to what we thought it were going to be, it's gone a lot smoother. But yeah, we all worked together well, so that's what you like to see. So this is all 2.4 high palisade, and it's all W pails, tri-point, as you can see. Spite. All these are all snapped off. I'm literally just going to go around now once I've done this video, and I'm just going to go check each pail individually, any what are loose, cut them off, retighten them, make sure it's all nice, safe and secure. And you see, and then it turns into 2.4 high twin in green with a clamp bar system. Obviously these ones are facing this way just because of the access behind, and then once it gets down here they all face the other way. So obviously this is the old fence. They are on about getting rid of this at some point, but just not yet. We've just tied it onto our existing. It's all closed off. It's where we used to come in. We'll go on the other side to have a better look at this side. It's all looking nice. The gates went in very smoothly. To be honest, the gates could have slowed us down massively, but they went in really, really well. It will look nice as well. It's all tied up. Fence is tied back on for them. So it's all secure now, all at the front. Yeah, you don't get better than that. So obviously when we do it, we take our measurement from there and tuck gates on. It's always a bit, oof, well, we got it perfect.
I'm just over at Cleckheaton. The lads are more or less finished here actually. Had the drone over here the other week. That's all palisade done. It's all done up there. Load our spare panels on now. I always get a bit more than we need. I'm just going to have a walk round. He's already counted up. I think the main men are coming down soon just to hopefully get it signed off, no problem. You see how they've drilled and double paled it. The lads are down there, look. They're finishing down there somewhere. I can spy baggy there, look. So yeah, this is what the lads are doing. Sorry, the blokes on site, the maintenance guy, we supplied him the pails, and he's going to do that, and basically he's going to go all down this side apparently. Yeah, some nice gates that are measured there. Look at that tip millimetre. Gold star tip measurer. That's me, measurer.
Perfect,
that, isn't it?
Nice gap.
That gap's cool as well, isn't it? Yeah.
Can't go wrong with that.
I'm glad I got them welded on.
Yeah, mate, they made it that.
Yeah, yeah. It's like I know what I'm doing, isn't it? Sometimes. Front bit that decided to do in mesh, just so it looks that bit better.
Done a clamp bar on both sides there as well.
It looks well. I do like twin mesh, me, like, don't you?
Oh, this looks better than palisade.
Yeah.
Blends in so much better.
Although I don't understand why they've got palisade at back light, but I just like the twin mesh a lot better.
Yeah, we've done that. I'll put a post in with a twin.
Oh yeah, I've seen it.
Attach them together. That one.
Yeah, I've seen that.
Oh, something on there.
That could probably do with a bolt putting in just to
through, yeah.
snap it off.
Yeah.
I think I might call it here. So it's Friday. All good in the hood. Lads are going to get finished. Couple of hours. Load gear up here. They're going to go to the yard, unload that, and then get ready for Monday. We've got a big job starting in the Dales on Monday. It's 1.8B mesh around the school. So we're just going to get all those bits together so we can just shove it straight on Monday morning at 6, half 6, and we'll be away. So yeah, if you like what we do, give us a thumbs up. Why not subscribe while you're here? Go on, do it now. Now. Yep, and we'll see you next week. See ya.